How cool would it be if you can create React UI components just by giving simple prompts to an AI, just like talking to your friends? Picture this. Let's say you want to create a dashboard for your next web app. So you can go ahead and ask AI to create a dashboard with some elements like cards, charts and graphs and other elements. And within less than a couple of clicks, the AI generates a production ready code that you can use directly right away within your real project. Well, that's exactly what we're going to see in this video today. And this right here is a dashboard page that PureCode AI has managed to generate, and I'll show exactly how you can generate one like this too. So let's get started, shall we? Allow me to introduce PureCode AI, an AI tool that helps you to create production-ready React components by giving simple prompts. PureCode AI is a front-end co-pilot that takes care of creating the UI part so that you can better focus on other functional parts of the project. And trust me, PureCode AI will help you save hundreds of hours if you're working on a real project. So let's get started, shall we? So this right here is PureCode.ai, and once you log in on the platform, this is how the interface would look like. Up to the top, you can find an input field where you want to enter the prompt or whatever component that you want to generate using PureCode. And this drop-down menu will let you select different options like React plus MUI, React plus Tailwind. Then we have HTML and Bootstrap and HTML and Tailwind as well. So let's start by creating a simple component, okay? Let's enter simple prompt saying build a simple login and sign up form. And I'll click on this option that says add a theme and select a theme that's already in here. For example, let's select yeah, this one looks good. Let's click save and click on the generate button. And as you can see, PureCode is now creating the code and it says creating generations. So it will take a while. So let's just wait for it till the generation process is complete. Alright, so as you can see, PureCode AI has managed to generate 3 variations of a login page that we asked for. So this is the first one, and as you can see, we have a nice gradient background and also the input field for password and email. Then we have this remember button, forget button. We have an option to hide and view the password, and also finally a sign in button. In fact, if you hover over the sign in button, you can see a subtle animation as well. So here we have 3 different options. So this one is having social login options as well. So we have the normal login form here, and we also have this one-click Google, Facebook and Twitter login buttons here, and this is yet another version which is similar, and the icon styles are a little different here. So you can go ahead and view the code for this particular UI by clicking on this code option, and here it will show you the entire code that you can just copy paste to your real project and get it working. And the cool part is that you can go ahead and iteratively build and add new features to the same component. For example, as you can see here, I have given a simple prompt, something like change the background color to green gradient. So as you can see, we have a blue to purple gradient for now. So I asked the AI to create a green gradient, and this is the result that AI has managed to generate. So now the gradient has turned to green color, and again the code for the same is available here. Now I added another prompt saying add a navigation bar to the top and a footer section with some dummy data, and I sent that particular prompt, and this is what AI came up with. So if you look at it, we have a nice navigation bar at the top, we have some little icons, we have like hover of effects over there, and also a footer section with some about us details, quick links, contact us, and a footer bar as well. So that's how simple it is to generate UI components using PureCode.ai. Now let's give it a different prompt to create a dashboard. So build a simple dashboard with various card items, charts and graphs, and let's just click on this generate button. And PureCode is now creating the generations, and let's just wait for the time being. And there you have it, the dashboard page is now ready. So we give it a simple prompts like build a simple dashboard with various card items, charts and graphs, and this is what it came up with. We have a total users, revenue, orders and conversion rate, different colors, we have hover effects to it, we have a sales overview chart, then we have a bar chart, then we have like a pie chart with, you know, oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. And we have like 3 variations of this one. So if you go ahead and click on this one, you can see a slightly different variation. For this one, the alignment is a little different, and here we also have a third one. So this is like a dark mode. Okay, we have like a dark mode and light mode switcher over here, which works really good. And that's it for that one. So this is what I like the most. So if you want to view the code for the same, just click on this option that says code, and you can see the entire code. And now let me quickly copy the code and go to the IDE and paste it right here. I'll go ahead and paste it and click on the run button just like that, and wait for it to load for now. And there you have it. It works just fine as we saw in the preview section right here. So all I did was just to copy the code, paste it in here, and it just works. That's right, that's how it is. And let's say if you want to add more features to this one, you can go ahead and give further commands to add the same as well. let's say I want to add like a sidebar to the left side. Okay, so I can go ahead and give it a command saying add a sidebar to the left, and I'll just click on the send button and wait for it to generate the updated code. And as you can see, it is now saying generating component. So let's wait, and boom, there you have it. Now the dashboard, the updated dashboard component with a sidebar. I mean, look at this. Oh my god, I can't believe AI has just managed to kind of create the entire thing by giving two simple prompt. Okay, and as you can see, we have an icon over here, we have like a text, and yeah, that's how it is. We have a logout button over to the bottom, and that's how simple it is to use PureCode AI to create React components. And now to view the updated code, you can just click on this code option, and this right here is the updated code, and you can go ahead and copy and paste it here, and the changes should be live in no time. Towards the top, you can also see three icons. One is for desktop, tablet and mobile, so you can see how the UI will look on different devices, and you can further go ahead and make it mobile responsive or give subsequent commands and make it or modify it the way you actually want it to be. Finally, let's also try to create a landing page for a website as well. So I'll give it a simple prompt, something like this: create a landing page for my web development agency with a modern vibe, include some dummy data as well. And I'll go ahead and click on the generate button, and let's see what this AI comes up with. All right, the component generation process has started, and we'll wait for a while. And now the landing page is successfully generated, and this right here is the output. We have a nice little gradient background. We have that intro animation where this text is falling from the top. Then as we scroll down, we have this nice animation, our services section, portfolio section, team, a contact form, a footer, social icons. Wow, this one is actually really nice. We have a different version here, so let's just take a look at the second version. That looks really good too. And this is the third version of the same, and this one looks good too. We have the navigation bar, we have all the CTA buttons over here, we have the services section. Oh, this one even have dummy images filled as well. Then we have this testimonial section, a contact form, and finally a footer. So all that you got to do is to replace these images and text with your own version, and you're all good to go. And now that's exactly how you can use PureCode AI to create functional React UI elements within like a few clicks. So all you got to do is to give a simple prompt and hit the enter button, and the AI will generate the code, and you can go ahead and copy paste it to your real world project. And the actual code this tool provides is production ready, so you can go ahead and copy the code and use it in your real project, make some modification like changing the text and stuff, and you should be really good to go. And now how you can sign up on the platform, you ask? Well, click on the first link in the description below, and it will take you to this page, and you can click on the sign in button and create a new account. And the best part is that they offer 7 days free trial, so that you can go ahead and create a new account and use the tool completely for free for the next 7 days. And there is no restrictions or anything as such. You can go ahead and generate as many components and UI components that you want, and you should be really good to go. So make sure to check the link in the description below. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If yes, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.